Let x be uniformly distributed random variable in the interval a comma 9 and p of 3 less than x less than 5 is 2 by 7. Find the constant a and compute probability of mod x minus 5 less than 2. Okay, so x is uniformly distributed random variable in the interval a comma 9. So we know that the uniform distribution on a comma b is f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a less than x less than b, 0 otherwise. Okay, so by comparing this interval with a comma 9, so a is a, b only 9. So by comparing this, b equal to 9. Therefore the f of x is equal to 1 by b is 9, so 9 minus a less than x less than 9, 0 otherwise. So this is f of x. So now the given condition p of 3 less than x less than 5 is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, so what is p of 3 less than x less than means it is integral 3 to 5 f of x dx is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, so here f of x already we found 3 to 5, f of x is 1 by 9 minus a into dx is equal to 2 by 7. But 1 by 9 minus a is a constant, so take outside 1 by 9 minus a, and integration of dx is x with the limit 3 to 5 is equal to 2 by 7. So 1 by 9 minus a into upper limit 5 minus lower limit 3. So 2 by 7. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 by 9 minus a is equal to 2 by 7. 2 cancel. So 7 is equal to 9 minus a. So to find a, take a here. So a is equal to 9 minus 7. So which implies that a equal to 2. So we found a value. It is 2. Okay, next I am going to find out p of modulus x minus 5 less than 5. Okay, to find this, we want to find out the range. You see, if mod x is less than a, the range is minus a to plus a. So that here mod x minus 5 is less than 2 means the range is p of minus 2 less than x minus 5 less than plus 2, minus 2 to plus 2, if modulus is minus 2 plus. Okay, but I want in between x, but here x minus 5. So to cancel this 5, I am going to add 5 on each term. So when you add 5, minus 2 plus 5 less than x plus 5 minus 5 cancel, less than 2 plus 5. So now the range becomes p of 5 minus 2 is 3 less than x less than 7. Okay, so now for this integral 3 to 7 f of x dx. But f of x already we found, so this is 3 to 7, f of x is 1 by 9 minus a, 1 by 9 minus a into dx. So 9 minus a already we found a value is 2, so that 1 by 9 minus 2 integral 3 to 7 dx. So 9 minus 2 is 7, so 1 by 7 into integration of x dx is x with the limit 3 to 7. So 1 by 7 into upper limit minus lower limit. 7 minus 3 is 4, so answer is 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 is the answer of the problem.